How do I homeschool if I intend to send my child back to traditional school? In this instance, you would look to the future and plan for it. Ask yourself, which school do you intend to send your child back to? What curriculum and books are they using? Can you get a copy of the book list for the different grade levels? If so, then do that and follow along so that when it's time to go back to school, the child can easily get back into their system. If you intend to send your child back to school, your teaching options will be limited because you need to now continue on with the curriculum at a steady pace similar to the school. But you do have the options for the style of teaching. You can still adapt your teaching to the learning style of your child. You also have options as it relates to the time when you teach and how long you do school for. Well, this can work well for your child if he or she needs a break from the school system, yet he still needs to keep up.